Awesome. You showed up. That is freaking cool. Alright, man, you ready for this? Python variables. A variable is just a container to store data. So to create a variable, first we have to provide it a label or a name. So let's say first, and then we say it's equal to a value, right? So first, let's say first is John. So what we've done here is we created a variable called first. First is equal to the string data of John. And now we'll get into data types a little bit later. But in a nutshell, that is how you create a variable in Python. So if we wanted to create a variable to store, let's say, an age, we can create the variable by naming it. In this case, we named it age. We're going to tell it that age is equal to, and then a number, right? So 1 in this case, or we can say 30, or we can say 100. And that right there is a variable. Like, how cool is that, right? Now there's some stipulations around what you can and cannot do in regards to naming your variable within Python. Taboo is a number. We can't start a variable with a number. We can only start it with an underscore or a letter, then followed by numbers. But we cannot start the variable by a number. We can do first underscore name, right? We can do underscore first name. We can do first and then a number. But again, we can't start with a number. Very important. The other important thing is that we can't use built-in keywords defined by Python. Those built-in keywords are things like for, or if, or like while. Those are considered like built-in keywords, and we can't use them for variable names because they're already taken. And in a nutshell, that is it, man. I mean, that is like starting the building blocks of constructing your first Python script. And I can't wait to see you again, man. Thank you.